How do you want to see education change over the next 20 years?
I would love to see self-directed education being rolled out at community level to foster a truly democratic and socially responsible community that respects and interacts socially and environmentally in a sustainable way.
As a teacher, what is your greatest fear?
My greatest fear is that what seems to be a groundswell of democratic wishes around the world will be hijacked by conservative, exploitative hierarchies, governments, and large corporations.
What inspires you about the young people you teach?
Their creativity, when they're free to learn and interact socially. They are vibrant, full of life, curious, investigative, creative, and learn very powerfully and very quickly together.
How do you know when you've done a good job?
If I've done a job of facilitating somebody's learning by calling forth what they have inside them, and I then see them excitedly going on and sharing a new idea or a new skill with others.
What is the most important thing that anyone has ever said to you?
I went to a university which examined with rote learning, and I failed everything. So I went to a career counsellor, was assessed, and he said to me, "You have the potential to do whatever you want to be, but it's up to you to make it happen."
What is the most important thing we can do to positively impact young people's lives?
I think to allow them to learn freely with others, both peers and older people, according to their unique needs to learn about what they're passionate about.